Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create a QR code for a link or URL. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started creating a QR code for any link or URL, the very first thing you need to do is open the QR code generator link I have added down in the description box. Now that you're on the tool, you'll see a field called URL/link. Just paste your copied link into this box. Scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here you can add custom text below the QR code, like "Scan me" or "Visit our website." You can also choose your preferred QR color to match your brand style, and set a background color to make it look more clean or eye-catching. If you want to make it more professional, you can click on Add Logo and upload your business logo or any icon you want to appear in the middle of the QR code. Once everything looks good, click on the Generate QR Code button. A live preview of your QR code will instantly appear on the screen. Now you can select your preferred download format, like PNG, JPG, or other. After that, choose your desired size if you need. Finally, just click on the Download QR button, and your QR code will be saved directly to your device, ready to use anywhere online or offline.